Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Python for Windows. Let's get started. Open up any modern browser and Google Python for Windows and go to Python's official website. Just hover over downloads and click here to download the latest version of Python for Windows. This might take some time based on your bandwidth and just run to install and check this, add Python to the path so that we can avoid some tedious work to add it manually, and click here to install it with the default settings, and it will ask some permissions. Just give it and move forward, and that's all. The installation was successful. Close it, and to verify whether Python has been successfully installed or not, open up the run command by hitting window R and type Python in it. A Python interpreter will open up. We can type any mathematical expression in it, and we can also see that Python 3.9 is running in our Windows machine. So this is how we can download and install Python and verify it. In the next video, we will start learning Python. So stay tuned.